1971 logo bloopers. Number 2. Cut. Why isn't P head? Why is P head just like the letter P? It's supposed to show a letter P. It's supposed to show P head, not just the letter P. Sorry about that. That's good. Let's take 2. Cut. Why did P head just fall down on the ground? And why does it say broadcasting service? P head is supposed to be right next to B, and it's supposed to say public broadcasting service. Oops, sorry about that. That's good. Take 3. Cut. Why doesn't B and S have some eyes? They're supposed to have some eyes. Sorry about that. Oh, we'll have to take again. Take it again. Major cut. Why did you did good, but where did Mr. P head go? Mr. P head, come back. I try to find him. Cursor, you didn't try to find him. P head is not supposed to run away like Sonic. He's supposed to be shown. Whoops, sorry about that. That's good. Let's take it again. Cut. It's not supposed to show the PBS logo from 1984 with the split. It's supposed to show the PBS 1971 logo. Oops, sorry about that. That's good. Take it again. Cut. Why does it just say public, and why doesn't BNS have eyes again? It's supposed to say broadcasting service. Whoops, sorry about that. That's good. Let's have another shot. Take it again. Cut. Why is it backwards? It's not supposed to be backwards. It's supposed to be normal. Oops, sorry about that. That's good. Now we can try it again. Take it again. Cut. Why is B missing too, like last episode? Yeah, B is supposed to be shown. It's not supposed to say PS. It's supposed to say PBS. You know, the public broadcasting service. Oops, sorry about that. That's good. Let's have another shot. Take it again. I got burp. Not again. Cut. Why did you cut 78 times? Because S is also missing. S is supposed to be shown in the PBS 1971 logo. Oh. Sorry about that. That's good. Let's have another shot. Take it again. Cut. P head is not supposed to be behind B. P head's supposed to be right next to B. It's supposed to say public right here. It's supposed to say public right here. Oops, sorry about that. That's good. Now let's try it again. Take it again. Cut. Why did Mr. P head just shrink? He's supposed to be normal. Oops, sorry about that. That's good. Let's see again. An extreme major cut. P-head is not supposed to be super ultra big. He's supposed to be normal. And he's supposed to be right here. Oops, sorry about that. I think I took the shrinking machine, my fault. Take again. Cut. PBS, why you go backwards? And why is B and S backwards? B is supposed to be normal, and S is also supposed to be normal. The 1971 logo is also supposed to be normal. Oops, sorry about that. That's good. Take it again from the top. Cut. It's not supposed to be PBS. The Public Viacom Service. It's supposed to say PBS. It's gonna happen. Turn on your volume.
Viacom. What is wrong with you, Viacom? I want to have some fun, Mr. P-head.
Turn down your volume in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Get out of here! I'll use my split.
Thank you, P-head, for getting Viacom. You're welcome, but I'm not supposed to use it until 1984, so I must get rid of it.
You can be sure if it's Westinghouse.
Cut. It's not supposed to say Public Westinghouse Service. It's supposed to, and did B just disappear again from the last take? Yeah, I think he did. Okay, Westinghouse, you're not supposed to be here. Yeah, Westinghouse, you're not supposed to be here. You're nothing but the worst logos ever. We'll have to take this from the top again. Take it again from the second try. Cut. Wait, Public Bang Service? It's not supposed to say Public Bang. It's not supposed to say Public Bang Service. It's supposed to say Public Broadcasting Service, not Public Bang Service. Oops, sorry about that. That is correct though. Let's try it again from the top again. Take again. Cut. What? Display of information. D and A. You're supposed to get out of the studio. And B is supposed to be normal, not D. And A is supposed to get out. S is supposed to stay in the studio. Whoops, sorry about that. We'll have to take this logo from the top again. Take again. Not again. Cut. Wait, Public Broadcasting Service is not supposed to be reversed. P-head B and S, you're not supposed to be reversed. P-head B and S. P-head's supposed to be right here, not S. B is supposed to be right here still. And S is supposed to be right here, not P-head. Very sorry about that. That's good. Let's try it again from the top again. Take again. Cut. What's Viacom Broadcasting Service? Viacom, you're not supposed to be here. Oops, sorry about that. That's good. Let's try another shot. Take again.
You can be sure if it's Westinghouse.
What? Cut. Wait, Westinghouse Broadcasting Service? Why does it have to say that? It's supposed to say Public Broadcasting Service. Oops, sorry about that. That's good. Let's take again from the top again. Take it again. Cut. This is not NBC. It's PBS. And it's not supposed to say this program was sponsored by Caring Progress. Oops, I'm very sorry about that. Let's try it again. Take it again. Shh. What? Cut. I mean, cut. It's not supposed to say, please be silent. It's supposed to have the music. Yeah, you're not supposed to shush me. You're supposed to put in the word public broadcasting service. Oops. Sorry about that. That's good. Let's have another shot. Take it again. Cut! Where's the music? Why is it just showing a picture? And why did they just swap colors? P head's supposed to be blue, not green. And B is supposed to be orange, not blue. And S is supposed to be green, not orange. Whoops, sorry about that. That's good. Take it again from the top again. Take it again. Cut. The Screen Gems S from Heck does not belong in this PBS logo. Whoops, sorry about that. So weird. Take it again. Screen Gems, get out of the studio. Cut. Public B&D service? What is B and D doing here? And it's not supposed to say public B backwards ND mask. B backwards ND service. Oops, sorry about that. I'm gonna give you one last chance, but if you screw up again, you're fired. Cut. Public class key chupo service. That's it. PBS, you're fired. Get out of the studio right now. I don't want to hear another word out of you. Oh, darn it. We're fired.